Hello, everyone, and welcome to ABC All About Canada, a public service program that informs, educates, and inspires our fellow kabayans with important concerns happening in the Philippine-Canadian community. My name is Rovic Canono. I'm your host, and today, our topic, the 7 reasons why choose University Canada West, a very prominent school based here in Vancouver, British Columbia. And our guest is the Business Development Manager of UCW. Let's all welcome Mary Nicolas.
Thank you very much, Mr. Rovic, and good morning, good evening, and magandang tanghali sa lahat ng kababayan natin sa Pilipinas at across the globe.
All right, welcome Mary sa programang ABC. Siguro nagtatanong ang mga kababayan natin, paano ka na-involve sa University Canada West?
Yes, maraming salamat. First of all, on behalf of University Canada West, maraming salamat, Mr. Rovic, for having us today. So, the reason why I'm involved, like your viewers, I can say, yung mga nanonood sa ngayon, katulad nyo din ako dati dahil I'm a former international student. So, I just came here po 2021. Nagkataon kasi sa lahat ng in-applyan ko na school during my time sa Pilipinas, si UCW ang pinakamabilis at unang nag-reply sa aking email response. So, that's why tinuloy ko yung proseso, and yeah, luckily, thank God, I'm here na po sa Canada kasama nyo ngayon all the way from Vancouver, Canada, and one of the BD of University Canada West.
Perfect. Very inspiring. Sana nga yung mga kababayan natin ay talagang makapunta na rito through student pathway. Alam mo, recently mayroong nilabas na new regulation ang Canada Immigration tungkol sa mga eskwelahan. Anong masasabi mo rito?
Yes, actually, malaking big news ang nangyari itong bagong taon, tama? So, Rovic, bagong taon, maraming pasabog ang government ng Canada. Pero, however, since University Canada West kasi has been providing quality education since 2004, 2 dekada na po tayo dito sa Vancouver. At kami po kasi ang isa sa iilan o unti lang po na mayroong MBA program. Masters is just the graduate program, lalo sa Pilipinas, na ang ating mga interested applicants are already graduate na po, di ba, ng bachelors. Mga nag-college na kayo sa iba't ibang larangan sa Pilipinas. So, kami po ang iilan sa may MBA program na hindi po apektado sa mga bagong news na meron po ngayon, nangyayari ngayon all out Canada. So, lahat po, same process pa rin po kami. Same benefits, which is i-discuss natin mamaya. So, yes po.
Kaya mga kababayan, kahit na ako bilang isang immigration consultant, dahil nga doon sa panibagong ruling, ang pinupush ko mismo at pinupush siguro ng karamihang immigration consultants ay kayo ay pumunta rito as an MBA student. Okay? At ito nga, i-discuss natin 7 reasons kung bakit magandang mag-MBA, especially sa University Canada West. Papasok na tayo sa first reason.
Thank you very much, Mr. Number 1. Unang-una sa lahat ay si University Canada West po ay hindi lang basta-bastang institusyon. It's also an award-winning university. Recently po na-award kami as a number 1 MBA provider of MBA programs sa buong North America. You will see our quality standard awards, MBA games, name it po. Lahat ng we make sure kasi yung quality standard ay abot na abot natin because, coming to Canada, it's a big risk for you. It's a big investment for you. So we make sure that it's all gonna be worth it. At isa sa lahat na part ng ating number 1 benefit is like na-appreciate ko mismo, Mr. Robbie, kasi na-experience ko siya as a former international student, is yung aming elective programs. Yung ating kasing mga elective program is yun yung mga in-demand, at least, yung mga good jobs here, good to find dito within Canada. And yung ating mga elective ay kalakip na mga certificates. So, hindi ka pa gumagaduate, nakaka-avail ka na ng mga certificates na will help you, at least whenever you apply for a certain job. So it gives an advantage po sa ating mga estudyante.
Okay, so pag ikaw ay nag-apply, na-accept bilang MBA student, merong mga electives. Okay, correct. Do we have the list kung ano yung mga electives na yon para lang sa kaalaman?
Yes, yes. Maraming salamat, Mr. Robic. Yes, so ating mga elective, okay? So number one, actually, yung kinuha ko is yung human resources, okay? Yung elective na ito is bibigyan ka ng chance makuha mo yung CPHR designation. Para siyang CPA sa Pinas. So it will help you like MBA plus you get CPHR. It will help you give you opportunities dun sa mga work for HR professionals. Yan. Kung gusto mong i-continue yan or yun yung gusto mong tahakin na field, meron ka man business analytics, consulting, entrepreneurship, project management, marketing, digital marketing, finance, consulting, at of course ang ating entrepreneurship.
Alright, oo. So, would you say na ang mga graduates ng University Canada West na merong kunwari ay Mary Nicolas, MBA, mas mataas ang kanilang chances for employment at saka salary? Yan ang gusto nilang malaman eh. Mas mataas ba ang salary ng mga may MBA title?
Mr. Robic, I can say, because meron kaming current statistic which is papasok no sa second benefit natin. Pero I can say, based on my very own experience, nandito yung mga kabatch ko, right? Mula nung 2021, yung mga graduate namin, nagkakaroon yes ng mas mataas, na chance in terms of supervisory, managerial roles. Kasi it adds a lot of credentials yung nabanggit ko, hindi pa, during their study at University Canada West. So hindi namin sinasabi, sir, na like 100% guarantee. It's still within the student, nasa inyo pa din yan kung paano nyo ile-level ang inyong experience, pero you have a lot of supporting documents to support that. So definitely yes, based on our current statistics, Mr. Robic.
Alright, so napakagandang first reason yan, award-winning educational institution in Canada. So bago tayo pumasok doon sa reason number 2, gusto siguro nilang malaman, nasaan ba ang University Canada West, yung kanilang school mismo?
Yes, actually, Mr. Robic, I can tell you later, siguro mag-share tayo ng glimpse ng aming school. Nasa gitna po kami. We are at the heart of downtown. Para ka lang nagtutour. Pag sa Pilipinas, para ka lang nasa Palawan. Ganun yung peg niya. Kasi nasa gitna siya mismo ng downtown Vancouver, which is napapaligiran po lahat ng tourist best spots in downtown Vancouver, Canada. So check it out po. We have 2 campuses. We make sure that we can accommodate everyone. Kasi nasa 14,000 student po kami per semester.
How many? 40?
14,000 students.
14. Yeah,
we can accommodate per term. So malaking po siya, malaking community. And name it, kung gusto nyo maka-experience, maka-meet ng mga diversity, right? Lahat ng country, meron kaming estudyante, 110 countries across the globe po na nasa UCW. So malaking opportunity po nyo to explore, not just the university itself, but to meet a lot of people across the globe.
So, dahil nasabi mong downtown, it goes to the transportation, accessibility ng commute ay very easy, tama?
Amazing. Yes, correct, Mr. Robic. Very accessible. Bus, transit, yung iba nga naglalakad na lang kasi sobrang ganda, napapalibutan siya ng mga park, island.
Yeah, pag dyan sila nakakita ng kanilang rerentahan na kwarto, no? Naglalakad lang. Last one, bago tayo pumasok sa number 2, nabanggit mo kasi...
Diba, ang dami nating nabanggit.
Oo nga kasi napakaganda. Napaka-exciting kasi, very hot and in demand ang University Canada West. More or less, sabi mo kasi kanina, maraming iba't ibang lahi. More or less, mga ilan ang magiging classmate nila na Pilipino sa isang classroom, more or less?
I can tell you, Mr. Robic, no? Depende kasi yan sa, sa mga courses elective na kukunin. Pero I can say, let's say at least 5-10% po. Lumalaki, growing ang aming Philippine community. So magkakaroon ka ng classmate dyan, buddy-buddy mo na 1 or 2. But meron po kami, just to tell you, sir, we have a very strong UCW community, Philippine UCW community at UCW. So nagtutulungan po sila. Like ako po na alumna, I always happy to share my experience, kung ano man ang pwedeng maitulong. At yung ating mga current student, former student, nagtutulungan. So actually, mamimit nyo po sila. At very active sila sa lahat ng activities sa school. Alam nyo naman ng Pinoy.
Yeah, alright. Okay, so napakagandang topic yung number 1. Okay, so papasok na tayo sa second reason why choose University Canada West.
Very good question. Number 2 is our flexible intake, Mr. Robic. I can tell you because we have 4. Usually kasi dito, I believe 3 ang mga schedule intakes ng ating mga colleges. But for University Canada West po, 4 po ang aming intake. So meaning, pag 4 yung intake mo, okay, pwede kang matapos ng maaga, right? Kasi po, syempre, sino ba naman dito gusto mag-aral ng matagal, di ba? So I believe naman, di ba? Hindi naman lahat. Pero at least po 4 semester kami in a year, which helps the student, at least to accomplish at least a little bit early kung ano man yung mga plans po nila. And aside sa aming flexibility, kalakip kasi nitong benefit na to, Sir Robic, naalala ko kasi, nung estudyante ako, meron akong ka-dorm, from other college, okay? Nagtataka siya kasi pumapasok siya ng Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5, like 8 hours a day, the usual. Okay. So, sa amin po kasi, I believe, since sa ngayon, Sir Robic, hindi pa naman nagbabago ang ating ruling, tama po. So, at least 12 hours a week na-allow natin si student na pumasok. Very flexible din kasi ang schedule ng UCW. So, meaning, nung time ko po, I have 7 days in a week. Yung mga klase ko, pinapasok ko lang po siya sa once or twice a week lang. So, meaning, available po ang aming classes ng Monday to Sunday, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. I believe. So may mga estudyante kung gusto nyong pumasok ng weekends or gabi na mga schedule, then yes, that's why nakakapag-work pa rin po into a corporate job. So I can say na aside that it's, you can at least finish it a bit early with a flexible intake, flexible din po ang ating schedule, which is, I think sa akin, I believe, by very own experience na magandang benepisyo of at University Canada West.
Alright, okay. So ako may one-liner lang dyan. Bilang isang immigration consultant, meron akong kilala nga na estudyante na pumasok dyan at biglang sinabi sa akin, gagraduate na nga raw siya. Nagulat din ako. Ang bilis naman. Oo. Parang kahapon lang dumating ka di ba? Alright.
Correct.
So,
yes, sobrang bilis lang po. Magugulat na lang sila pag nag-start ka ng term mo. Patapos ka na. Oo, very siya. And quality, of course, we value that. So, nabanggit ko po yan, number 1, we always value the quality. So, for sure, pag graduate yan sa Robic, di ba, makikita na natin yan na then next na siguro, after me, right? The spokesperson. Awesome.
Perfect. Alright. Okay, mga kababayan, papasok na tayo sa third reason why choose University Canada West.
Yes, number 3, I think very important din, lalo sa ating mga, potential or very interested student is meron po kaming mga financial support. Okay, meaning po, Sir Robic, these are like grants po. Hindi ko po sinasabing 100%, just to, give you idea po. Hindi po 100% ang aming scholarship. Okay, yung iba kasi nagkakaroon sila ng different connotation. So at least kahit pa paano po, makakabawas at least po sa fees ng ating mga students. So for Philippines po, connect lang po kayo kay Sir Robic, pwede po nating malaman kung eligible po kayo sa aming Southeast Asia grant. Okay, kasi may mga grants po kami like regional grants, may scholarship kami for international student, may scholarship din kami for domestic, which is yung mga, Canadian and citizen. So iba't iba po ang aming kinds of scholarship, list of scholarship. So I can tell you na at least, it will help you then along the way. So yeah, that one I think ko-connect ko sila sa'yo para at least they know if they're eligible for our financial support or regional grants.
So in short, mga kababayan, kung kayo makakatanggap ng scholarship from University of Canada West, mababawasan po ang inyong tuition fee.
Correct.
Alright, okay. Very good point. Ngayon, papasok na tayo sa pang-4, fourth reason why choose University Canada West.
Thank you very much, Rob. Napag-anuhan ko, no? Na-alternate ko yung dalawa. Pero next po is ating proven employability. Ako po isa sa produkto, tama, na estudyante pa lang actually during our time and after graduate is nakahanap na po or nakaland na po into a job or employment opportunity. So based po sa aming current statistic na nabanggit ko po kanina, 95% po of our students are working or have lined up within 1 year lang po of their graduating or even before graduating at University Canada West. Ito po ay latest survey namin ng March 2023. So yes po, I think that one po. Like nabanggit na po natin on the early stages, the benefits.
Yeah. Of course, habang nag-aaral sila ay pwede silang magtrabaho. Alright, okay.
Tama, thank you po. And yes po. Very good question po yan, Sir Robin.
Okay, so papasok na tayo sa fifth reason why choose University of Canada West for your MBA program.
Yes, Mr. Robic, hindi natin, like, even though na kahit matapos man nila ng maaga yung kanilang program, di ba, like, yung iba kasi kala nila, syempre, medyo nagmamadali. No po, no, kahit nagmamadali, we make sure po that we have an experience, high quality faculty po, no? Our professors po, yung ating mga instructor, are real world experience po. So, dito kasi, like, based on our very no experience, we value kasi yung paano mo siya i-apply sa workplace. Paano ka magiging manager? So yung mga instructor natin, i-equip po nila ang aming mga estudyante. Ano ba ang Canadian way of employment? Diba? Iba kasi yan sa Philippines. Yung resume mo palang iba na yan pagdating mo dito sa Canada. So they will really, really, equip you. Paano ka talaga magiging entrepreneur? Paano ka magiging leader sa isang company? So I think that one po ang pinaka-importante na yung applicability, ng pinag-aralan mo once you graduate at University Canada, which our experienced faculty will make ensure of that.
Alam mo, meron akong kilala na noong estudyante siya ay sa University Canada West, siya ay I would say receptionist sa isang tourism institution dito. Pero noong nag-graduate siya at nagkaroon na siya ng MBA title, inabsorb siya ng administration talaga. At ngayon, isa sa mga bossing noong tourism institution na yun. So, believe talaga ako kapag meron kang MBA title. Alright.
Yeah, okay. It adds po talaga, no? It helps din talaga. At least kasi, yun nga, sir, siguro maging practical na lang din po ako. Like, di ba, mag-invest ka na lang din ng yung time, ng, ng money, tama, ng investment, or why not, invest talaga na it will help you along the way, like in your future endeavor. Like pag bumalik ka ng Pinas, kung di mo man masyado ma-appreciate, right? Like ako kasi okay po ang aking Canada, lahat ng benefits. So yes, why not? It will help you pa rin in the future.
All right, good point. So papasok na tayo sa pang-anim out of 7 reasons why choose University Canada West for your MBA program in Canada.
Yes, thank you very much. Number 6 po natin actually is sa pinaka-appreciate ko din naman is yung aming faster completion. Nabanggit natin to ng pahapiyaw kanina po. Kasi yung iba sa mga estudyante, tama kasi po Sir Robic, they'll be allowed to work at least. So yung mga gustong makatapos agad, di ba? Maging eligible agad to work, tama po, ng at least, longer, is they can earn undergraduate degree po namin or yung MBA po namin ng at least po less than. So, itong example po, ako mismo, Sir Robic, no? So 2-year po technically ang MBA program, pero since gusto ko kasi siyang matapos as soon as possible kasi may family ako, I have a daughter po, tama, na kailangan ding i-process as soon as possible. So ginawa ko po is tinapos ko siya like kasi minimum 3 maximum 4 naman po na courses or subject lang sa atin sa Pilipinas. Medyo manageable siya, hindi siya ganun kabigat, hindi siya overwhelming. So tinake ko lang po siya instead of 2 years. Tinapos ko po lahat ng program basta matapos mo yung courses into 1 year. So from 2 years po, hindi na ako nag-break. May option din for term break po, Mr. Robic, pero hindi na po ako nag-break. So instead of 2 years, natapos ko po siya at least a year. So, nagkaroon ako agad ng opportunity, which is papasok yung ating susunod na benefit.
Alright. Okay. So, siguro gusto na nilang marinig yung mga kababayan natin yung pampitong reason na sa tingin ko ay pinaka-importante para sa kanila. Okay. Wag na natin patagalin. What is the 7th reason why choose University Canada West?
Tama, Mr. Robic, which is our PGWP, meaning Post-Graduation Work Permit Eligibility. Correct po, tama, narinig niyo po. Kami po ay iilan sa merong DLI, Designated Learning Institution. Makikita niyo po yan sa IRCC na sobrang expert si Sir Robic. So, ililib ko na po sa kanya yan. So, international student po, once you completed po the program po, you're eligible na for our Post-Graduation Work Permit. Once you completed the meaning, mag-work na po kayo 1 to sawa full-time. Tama, Sir Robic. So, it will help you. At least ako po during my time, even though I finished it for a year, nakakuha po ako ng up to 3 years. Okay, depende po kasi yan, Sir Robic, no? Hindi natin mag-guarantee. Pero up to 3 years po ang aking PGWP. So, nakapag-work po ako. Ngayon, actually, I'm on my PGW po. First year ko pa lang po ng PGWP, pero may 2 years pa po ako na I can work full-time at least po and, work on my next steps po.
At dahil nga naglabas ang panibagong regulation ng Immigration Canada, yung ibang colleges, okay, ay hindi na allowed na magdala ang mga applying students ng kanilang asawa, anak. Pero kung kayo ay kukuha ng MBA, gaya nga na ino-offer ng University of Canada West, ito ang isang magandang rason din doon sa number 7, bukod sa post-graduation work permit, pwede nyo isama ang inyong mahal sa buhay. Na yung spouse mo, pwedeng magtrabaho rito, magkakaroon ng open work permit. At yung anak mo, kung isa, dalawa, tatlo, kung maaprubahan na pumunta nito, pwedeng mag-aral, magkaroon ng Canadian education kung elementary o high school.
Correct. Yes po, MBA na lang at doctorate na lang ang allowed to bring OWP and of course dependent, which University Canada West po is, good thing po that we provide MBA for international student and of course domestic student. So yes.
Alright, okay. So mga kababayan, yan po ang 7 reasons why choose University of Canada West na napakagandang lokasyon dito sa downtown Vancouver sa British Columbia. Ano ang iyong final words, invitation sa mga nakikinig sa atin ngayon na nasa Pilipinas na gustong makapunta sa Canada, maka-experience ng Canadian education, magkaroon ng post-graduation work permit at magkaroon ng opportunity na mag-apply ng permanent residency?
Thank you very much, Robic. Number 1 is of course to connect talaga with a reliable, immigration consultant or agency. Kasi nung dumating ako dito, to be honest, ako lang mag-isa, walang tumulong. So medyo, alam niyo po yun, medyo mahirap, right? Pero at least if you have someone, di ba, na reliable like Mr. Robic po, is to connect with them, natutulungan talaga kayo. Like here po, no, na nag-extend ng effort to help you out. Ano ba yung benefits? Bakit ba UCW? And of course, second is talagang dapat buong loob mo. Hindi yung diretsuhin mo na. Like once you submit your application, dire-diretso na po yan kasi medyo mabilis po ang ating process. Mabilis din pong maubos ang aming seats. To be honest with you po, at least 6 months or 1 year pa lang dapat nag-apply ka na kasi ngayon, ang available na po namin na intake is for 2025. Diba? Ganun kabilis. So wala
especially
na po
ngayon, Mary, diba? Dahil nga MBA na lang ang pwede magdala ng pamilya. Yung dating nag-a-apply, biglang ng lower than MBA college, bigla nilang hinugot yung kanilang application at pumupunta ng MBA, kaya nagkakaubusan na ng seats.
Correct po. Mabilis. Hindi po kami sa pag-e-exage po. Hindi po tayo exage. Totoo po ito na nangyayari. Ang available na po namin kung gusto niya pang humabol, mag-apply. 20 September na po. 2024 ang available. Malapit na rin po yung mag-close, which is January 2025 na po. So kung napanood nyo to, I think it's a sign for you. You think, you really want to come to Canada. I think this is the best year din po I can say sa Robic, no? Because of this, a lot of things going on. Alam nyo po ang Canada, pa iba-iba. So yeah.
Oh, tama yon. Nagbabago, ang bilis magbago ng immigration rules, kaya this is your chance. It's now or never. Apply as MBA student in University Canada West.
Tama. At lagi ko po yan sinasabi, ilaban ng pangarap. It's not gonna be easy journey, Sir Robic. We don't sugarcoat anything. Like ako as a former international student, no, marami kang pagdadaanan. Pero once you finish the program, dyan papasok ang overflowing na hindi lang itong mga benefits na nabanggit ko, iba na yung benefits na yan for you. And of course, kung ano man plano nyo, if you want to bring your family here in Canada. And I can say, Mr. Robic, yes, University Canada West, nakita nyo naman lahat ng benefits. Hindi lang ito actually, marami pa pong benefits. So as a former international student, I can tell you, right, that MBA program at University Canada West is one of the best po talaga, and it will help you along your journey here in Canada. So to all aspiring, potential student at University Canada West, yes, this is the time for you. Wag na pong magpatumpik-tumpik pa, right? And if you have any question, nandiyan naman po si Mr. Robic, and I wish you all the best. Once again, Mr. Robic, thank you very much for the invitation, and on behalf of University Canada West, maraming salamat po, and I hope to see you all here in Vancouver, Canada. God bless po.
And I would say that you are living your dream dito sa Canada now, right?
Amen. I can say, wala po kong no complaint. Mr. Like, ang daming negativity na nangyayari ngayon sa social media. Ako pong isa sa magsasabi sa inyo. Wala akong masabi sa lahat po ng benefits pa lang. Like, one time po, di ba, medical, I can tell you, na experience ko yan very on, baka ubus na ako. Ngayon pa lang sa Pinas, di ko na saan po. Pero here, at least, nandito yung ating mga medical benefits, educational benefits for your kids, and of course, your family. So, yes po, I'm living the dream.
Thank you so much. And congratulations dahil isa kang living example na from international student ang ngayon ay working sa Canada. Towards an opportunity to become permanent resident. So mga kababayan, yun po, at gaya nga ng sabi ni Mary, ay maganda mag-inquire through a licensed immigration consultant. You can reach us sa RGC Immigration Services through our email, rgc_canada@yahoo.com. Tutulungan po kayo namin 100% to be an MBA student in University Canada West, and we will help fulfill your dream to be in Canada. Thank you so much, Mary.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Robic. And yes, maraming salamat po sa lahat.
All right. Thank you for watching, everyone. ABC All About Canada, a public service program that informs, educates, and inspires our kababayans in the Philippines to come to Canada as an MBA international student in University Canada West. My name is Rovic Canono. I'm your host. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again.